I think very early on we decided that we're going to work together. Whatever is
Right.
going to be,
Right.
we will be working together in
Right.
that thing. So
But what was that moment when you guys
I think
decided?
dosti.
I think it was yes.
Emotions were quite strong, and because we were teenagers, at that time emotions were really high.
Right.
So you're like, if I can, you my friend, you're my buddy,
yeah.
जो भी करेंगे इकट्ठे करेंगे हमेशा इकट्ठे करेंगे
मेरा दोस्त है।
और बस
Since this is also a design podcast, I would also like to you guys to tell me how you approach a project.
All basic steps are the same. First, we take the entire requirement of that project for our client. जो client है उससे हम पूछते हैं कि आपका vision क्या है. If it's a house, if a store, if anything, what kind of a vision he has or she has. So फिर हम वो सारी requirement jot down करते हैं, उसको लिखते हैं. Then we come up on mood boards कि what, क्योंकि देखिए हर बंदे को visually चीजें देखनी है.
Right.
तो visually जो है वो हम लोग जो है वो 3D जो है हमारा एक ऐसी स्टेज है कि जो later on आती है. तो उससे पहले हम लोग एक mood board create करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग जिसमें डिफरेंट रिसर्च करते हैं कि आपके इमेज बेस्ड रिसर्च होती है कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट कैसा लगेगा.
Thing is, we know कि if we are interested, that means I know we are interested. Saad is with me.
Right.
If he comes up with an idea, I'm with him.
Yes.
There's no two bits about it.
How many bad ideas has he come up with?
Many.
So वो I think it's a part of learning है.
Yeah.
So I think whenever there's a new idea, वो अब हमें नहीं पता होता कि वो कैसा होगा, वो चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. But I believe कि वो हम उसको push एक है. We go for it.
Hi guys, welcome back to Hapa After 5. I'm Omar Jalani, founder of Hapa Studios. Joining me today are Saad Qureshi and Ifran, two friends, two architects, and two people who seem to have cracked the code on both building both spaces and businesses. They met at NCA, became fast friends, and since then they founded Architects Inc., an exemplary design studio that's worked on everything from sleek homes to luxury stores to brilliant commercial spaces. And if you've been to the Caviar Club in Polo Ground, yes, that's beautifully fine dining spot. They're the minds behind that too. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
And
you.
I don't know if people know, but Harper Studios and Architects Inc. probably started at exactly the same time, a few months आगे पीछे मेरे ख्याल के अंदर.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और तब से हम एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं इन लोगों के साथ. And just as a side note, these guys always have given me amazing business and always put me as a preference. So I appreciate that. Thank you. And I appreciate you guys both coming here. So before we dive in, how do you guys mostly introduce yourselves these days, since you're an entrepreneur and architects? I'll start with you.
I think I will always say that I'm an architect. So that's how I introduce myself.
Yeah.
But basically we are doing like other stuff as well. But I think as far as my identity is concerned, it will always be as an architect.
And yourself too?
I think it's the same. Goes for the same because architecture, we've been practicing for past 20 years now.
Yes.
So yeah.
It doesn't.
So,
एकदम से
other
आपको hit
businesses
करता है.
happened. We have other partners in that as well. But main core is architecture and Architects Inc.
So generally in school you both studied architecture. You were in the same batch, right?
Yes.
And आप लोगों के batch में भी खास तौर के ऊपर, I don't think a lot of people pursued architecture. Or
No, they did.
No,
Yeah?
they did.
I think
Basically,
our batch
Okay.
is the only batch which
This
has
one
the
they
most
did.
number of architects
okay,
coming
okay,
out and then
great.
practicing.
and
Okay, fantastic.
they are doing really well by
Yeah,
the way.
yeah,
So
yeah.
our badge architects are doing really well. Yeah.
So there was a particular batch which kind of जिसके अंदर सारे graduate करके architecture ही perform उन्होंने किया, right?
वैसे खैर जब हम लोग एनसीए में थे तो ये सारे यही कहते थे कि जो बैच हमारा है वो सबसे अच्छा बैच है. So I think we were, but indeed our batch was also really good. One of the good batch
Right.
which we experienced actually. So yeah.
So
It is.
जब आप लोग school में थे, generally did you guys plan to make a company when you graduate, or did it happen later? How did you guys go about this?
It was more of like the flow of the whole 5 years of NCA was as such that when we met in school, college, and then we started doing mime and all other activities other than studying,
Right.
which we really didn't care
Yes.
initially
Yeah.
about. He was more focused, I wasn't. But I think very early on we decided that we're going to work together. Whatever is
Right.
going to be,
Right.
we will be working together in
Right.
that thing. So
But what was that moment when you guys
I think
decided?
dosti.
I think it was yes.
Emotions were quite strong, and because we were teenagers, at that time emotions were really high.
Right.
So you're like, if I can, you my friend, you're my buddy,
yeah.
जो भी करेंगे इकट्ठे करेंगे, हमेशा इकट्ठे करेंगे.
मेरा दोस्त है.
और बस. And then being in sync as well. I think.
ऑल्सो ऑन द अदर हैंड कि हम लोगों ने इतनी चीजें एक्टिविटीज इकट्ठे कर ली थी कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी जो है ना हम लोग की आपस में एक कोऑर्डिनेशन बन गई थी. दैट कोऑर्डिनेशन वाज
नहीं, और ये कोऑर्डिनेशन मैंने भी आप दोनों के दरमियान देखी कि guys don't need to actually even talk much about things. A lot of things just come naturally.
It has a lot of layers. How you make a lasagna? It has many layers to it. This one also it just came naturally. See, I feel that if I like you, first thing I need to like you. Once I like you, then I can do a lot of other things for you. If I don't like you, I might not be like, इसके लिए क्या करना, इसके लिए क्या effort करनी.
बिल्कुल.
So the liking part starts the whole game together. So,
and also, I mean, the simple fact that you like someone also means that you trust someone and you trust someone for
that's the other layer, right? I mean, the trust happened, I think, mainly because Saad used to be in hostel. I used to be from Lahore. He's from Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
I think I used to spend a lot of time in hostel as compared to spending at my own house. And there was a lot of time then Saad spending at my house, and then we had another partner.
Right.
Awais. So we both used to spend a lot of time at his house.
Right.
So those spending time actually started catering that trust bond more than just being in college.
Bilkul. And also once you decide to work with friends, and mashallah, you start making money, then the real test starts. I mean, it's like rock bands, right? Once they become big, they break up, right?
Exactly. वही guitarist की जो है वो lead singer के साथ लड़ाई हो जाती है. Mostly यही चीज हो रही है.
I think one thing I need to give it to him is that we both are very headstrong people individually, but when we come together, we gel in a way that हम समझ जाते हैं.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
The first thing is that between us, when there was no money, and it was just trust.
Right.
When we started making money, we always knew that we were going to share. If he brings in money, I will take money from him. He will not ask. If I bring in money, he'll take from me.
Right.
I will not ask.
Beautiful.
So that part remained the first step for everything else. And then everything just followed. I mean, पैसा आया है, नहीं आया, जब नहीं होता तब भी ठीक है, होता है तब. And we're always like trusting each other. We need to find this thing. I mean, if I can say on my behalf, it's not just me saying, it's me and Saad saying.
Right.
And I say, oh,
right. No,
you have an idea.
Absolutely.
You said, oh, मुझे पास ये काम है, अगर हम कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
He will not ask me, वो तूने मुझसे पूछा नहीं या मैंने इसने नहीं पूछा.
I completely.
The thing is, we know कि if we are interested, that means I know we are interested. Saad is with me.
Right.
If he comes up with an idea, I'm with him. There's no two bits about it.
How many bad ideas has he come up with?
Many.
वो I think it's a part of learning actually. You know कि आप चीज़ देखो जब तक आप नई चीज़ों को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करोगे आप सीखोगे किस तरह. So I think whenever there's a new idea वो अब हमें नहीं पता होता कि वो कैसा होगा, वो चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. But I believe कि वो हम उसको push एक है, we go for it, and then later on we decide, we later on we sort of give as it take out ideas कि हाँ जी हम ये कर सकते हैं, इसको इस तरीके से करेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा. But I think वो push है.
नीति में हम ज़्यादा ना बाद में जाते हैं. Usually we always start off. See, I always feel that there are two parts when you really get distracted and disrupted.
Right.
Basically between two partners is when is you too high and when you're too low.
Right.
In between you're always happy. ना तुमने ज़्यादा देखा है ना मैंने ज़्यादा किया, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चली जाते हैं. When you reach the peak, when you say, oh यार अब तो मेरे पास इतना आ गया, इसको कटाओ, खुद कमा लूं. या बिल्कुल लो हुआ है तो कह रहा है इसकी वजह से लो हुआ है, मैं साइड पे हो जाऊं. High and low वाले part में if you're together ना then बाकी सारा कुछ is low.
100%.
And
so,
also
100%.
And also that you know we all also evolving with our ages as well. So वो जो evolve भी हो रहे हैं वो भी हमें एक दूसरे को accept करना चाहिए क्योंकि obviously हम लोग की choices एक वक्त के बाद change हो जाएंगी.
बिल्कुल 100%.
But in the end we all should know कि at the age of 20 में हम लोग ये different set of choices का चल रहे थे. But 30 साल की उम्र में और 40 साल की उम्र में totally different उस पे.
So अब आप दोनों की choices ज़्यादा safe होती हैं.
ज़रूरी नहीं, हमारी कई चीज़ों पे हम we are different. We are totally different.
I'm still the wild child in the choices.
No, I can tell.
he अब ये थोड़ा सा धीमा हो जाता है कि.
And he's the wild child in his marriage.
Yeah. But I think ये चीजें साथ साथ चलती रहेंगी.
So like what annoys you the most about Ifran generally work-wise?
आई थिंक मुझे कोई ऐसा चीज अनॉय नहीं करती, बट वो जो चीजें हैं वो इतनी ज्यादा लाउड नहीं है, तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए कोई चीज इस तरह नहीं है कि जो अनॉय करे, बट आई फील लाइक कि वो हम उस स्टेज पे आ चुके हैं कि जहां मुझे पता चल जाता है कि इसको हमने केटर किस तरह करना है.
Right. So speaking of architecture and architects in generally, when a new client comes in, how do you guys manage it? Who does what? What exactly the roles are between both of you?
So we tell every client of ours the same thing. Usually the expectation is because we are two partners, we are going to be involved in one project and all that.
Of course.
Initially we were facing this thing.
Do you meet, sorry to cut you, do you meet people together and then part?
No. So I'll tell you how it goes.
Achha.
Initially, when we started off the company, projects were less.
Right.
And the company also happened just एकदम ही तुक्के में या जज्बात में कंपनी खुल गई थी कि एक प्रोजेक्ट आया तो उनका वो प्रोजेक्ट आगे अपनी कंपनी खोल देते हैं. वी हैड नो आइडिया कि वो चलेगी कैसे.
Right.
उसमें मैनेजर चाहिए, उसमें अकाउंटेंट चाहिए, उसमें ड्राफ्टमैन चाहिए, उसमें कुछ और चाहिए.
Number one person.
So we had no idea when we started off from a small storeroom. स्टोर रूम में हमने 3 टेबलें लगाई थी. टेबलें भी इकट्ठी लाइन में नहीं आती थी, 2 ऐसे थी, एक उसके आगे पड़ी
एल शेप में लगाई थी,
और उसके हमने साइज भी गलत कर दिए थे बिकॉज वो साइज हमने बनाया था. वो
जब हम उसमें बैठे तो टेबलें हमारी छाती तक थी.
फिर हमने so technicalities
that was the
हुई थी.
first experience how to design it.
So initially we used to do all these things that we used to consume ourselves with the client together and used to work on the same project.
Right.
And then डेडलाइन हमारे लिए होता था कि रातें गुजार दो ऑफिस के अंदर और सब कुछ का. बट ये हर कोई, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड दिस इज हाउ वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ. इट वाज आवर कंपनी. हमने रातें गुजारी हैं दफ्तर में एक दिन. It was college extension, but now making money.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So, it's the same thing.
हाँ.
और आपकी जो वही एग्जैक्टली आपने जो कॉलेज के आते थे कि आपने लेट नाइट काम करना है, उसमें हम सारा लेट नाइट काम कर रहे हैं.
And we always used to like couldn't crack the code, which we haven't as yet, but we started putting limitations on ourselves. कि where do we have to stop?
Right.
As human beings as well,
right.
And then having independent, separate families and own life as well.
बिल्कुल.
So
what was the best resource you guys hired apart from both of you? जो आप लोगों का next best resource था, जो आप accountant, I guess.
Accountant, yes. Then the architects and the draftsmen and the engineers. We learned everything from others.
Right.
We are like a sponge.
Right.
There's no like. और वो बड़ा वाला स्पंज है, पानी में डालते जो वो और कंज्यूम करता जाता. See, we had no idea of accounting. Zero.
Yeah.
Like we had no idea कि accountant की हमें लगता था कि मुंशी है, वो
हिसाब पेमेंट्स को जाके कलेक्ट करते हैं,
हिसाब लिखता है और बस ये होता है.
हमारा शुरू में था वो उसी तरह नोटबुक के ऊपर पता नहीं था. And software
we learned quite a lot from those areas as well. Now when coming back to the same question you asked, when a client comes in, I meet him separately, he meets him separately. They're 2 different clients.
Right.
We work on our own project together, but if I'm working on it, I'll ask him कि यार ये है, इसको ठीक कर दो, इसको ये कर दो. Involvement है, but we take our projects separately, independently,
and also
under one roof.
And also what है कि जब दो आर्किटेक्ट एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम जब हम पहले कर लेते थे, मैनेज कर लेते थे, बट बाद में हमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गई थी. यार मैंने इरफान को बताया हुआ है, तो तुम्हें क्यों नहीं पता? अब इरफान बिजी हो गए, उसने मुझे नहीं बता सका,
छुट्टियों में चले गए.
So basically when the client come up with पूछने के लिए, तो वो स्टार्ट करता था जब उससे इरफान से बात होगी तो उसके बाद वो मुझसे स्टार्ट करता था. तो इस तरह की छोटी छोटी चीजें बाद में नजर आना शुरू हो गई. So I think it is always better कि जो इरफान अपने सेट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैंडल कर रहा है, मैं अपने सेट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट आते सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं एक साथ. लेट्स से 2 प्रोजेक्ट आए, एक इरफान हैंडल करेगा, एक साथ हैंडल करेगा.
Do clients complain about each other to each of you?
No.
To both of you?
We don't listen.
We don't listen.
But do they? That part, I'm sure. They try to.
Yeah.
But we don't listen to that.
Yeah,
part.
perfect.
I mean,
perfect.
अब I think अब वो चीजें बहुत change
So
हो चुकी हैं.
generally, since this is also a design podcast, I would also like to you guys to tell me how you approach a project. Like, what's the first when a new query comes to you? How do you approach a project? What are the steps as an architecture studio?
All basic steps are the same. First, we take the entire requirement of that project for our client. जो client है उससे हम पूछते हैं कि आपका vision क्या है. If it's a house, if a store, if anything, what kind of a vision he has or she has. So फिर हम वो सारी requirement jot down करते हैं, उसको लिखते हैं. Then we come up on mood boards कि what, क्योंकि देखिए हर बंदे को visually चीजें देखनी है.
Right.
तो visually जो है वो हम लोग जो है वो 3D जो है हमारा एक ऐसी stage है कि जो later on आती है. तो उससे पहले हम लोग एक mood board create करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग जिसमें डिफरेंट रिसर्च करते हैं कि आपके इमेज बेस्ड रिसर्च होती है कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट कैसा लगेगा, एंड देन उसके बाद वी स्टार्ट कमिंग ऑन द प्लानिंग एंड देन कम ऑन द 3D. सो ये पूरा प्रोसेस हमारे हर प्रोजेक्ट
और ये हर चीज अप्रूवल होती है क्लाइंट से एंड देन यू मूव ऑन.
स्टेज 1 अप्रूवल, स्टेज 2 अप्रूवल, स्टेज 3 अप्रूवल, स्टेज 4 अप्रूवल.
And like most of the time when people are coming to you and you present something and they want to make changes, you accommodate.
Yes, we do that because obviously देखिए जो घर बना रहा है वो उनका अपना घर है.
We initially thought of practicing. There are a lot of architects who do practice this thing कि this is the 2 drawings we'll give.
और इसके बाद
ये है, इसके बाद ये है, इसके बाद ये है. We always felt that if somebody is coming to us and if they can't be open in front of us to get something done.
Yes.
What's the whole part? Like, but see,
a lot of these people have saved their entire lives for
pros
this.
and cons to it.
Yeah.
You have to put your foot down on that part and say कि भाई बस, मतलब आप रोज ही नहीं आके आप सुबह शाम दोपहर ड्राइंग
एक
स्टेज आती है, इस पे भी करना पड़ता है.
आप खुद ही कर लें, I guess.
वरना कई दफा भाई तो हमारे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट भी आते हैं जिसमें कपल्स आते हैं जिसमें दोनों का आइडियाज डिफरेंट है.
हाँ, no, oh fuck, yes. I mean that is probably the most.
You have to come up एक ऐसा डिजाइन जो दोनों को cater करे.
You're also managing to be like psychiatrists.
See, in our business ना, it can't be just like putting a step down and asking someone कि जी इससे ज़्यादा हो नहीं सकता, इससे ज़्यादा करूँगा नहीं. It all depends on the project, the requirement, and how you approaching the project.
Right.
A retail store will have a different approach because that's a set menu for everyone.
Right.
ये store है, इतना लीड पीरियड है, फिर रेंटल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इतना खोलना है,
Right.
ये लुक एंड फील है, ऐसा चाहिए.
Right.
उसकी अंदर अप्रोच फर्क होती है. रेजिडेंशियल इज समथिंग वेयर यू विल लिविंग,
Right.
knowing those
बिल्कुल.
people, writing their all these details, meeting the family, रख
Yes.
रखाव
Yo,
क्या
no,
है,
that's such
सब
a
कुछ
great
करना.
point. Yes.
So वो बहुत important है जो आपके स्टोर में नहीं है.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
I still remember when we did, this is our friend's house close by here in this neighborhood.
जी.
When he came to us, our idea was very simple when we started our company, was that we are not going to take anything ordinary.
Right.
It has to be exceptional. It has to be something which is being done abroad. You haven't seen it in Pakistan. That was the simplest approach.
Right.
Number 2, which will make us money quickly.
Right. Sure.
Residential at that time would have never given us that money.
Right.
Yeah.
So we approached, we'll go for interiors first because there were very few people who were doing interiors, especially commercial
बिल्कुल.
interiors.
उस टाइम के तो बिल्कुल भी.
Fourth was कि और पैसे कैसे कमाते हैं, खुद ही कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बन जाते हैं, काम पकड़ेंगे, डिजाइन भी करेंगे, बनाएंगे भी और पैसे आएंगे.
जबरदस्त.
That's how the model worked, and we faced a lot of challenges to it, but we learned so much to it from it.
And that's such a big challenge.
And that was the whole art.
Huge.
And then it became a stamp to us as well that people started thinking ये तो सिर्फ करते ही इंटीरियर है, ये तो सिर्फ करते ही कमर्शियल है, क्योंकि हम एक घर करते थे, वो 2 साल में खत्म हो रहा था, उतनी देर में हम 12 स्टोर बना चुके थे. और उस वक्त इंटरनेट was only Orkut.
Yeah.
Facebook was just starting. Nobody knew how. Like,
और
there were no
एक
pages.
और एक MySpace.
Brilliant.
एक MySpace.
So
yes.
the Sunday Times was the thing जिसके अंदर मैगजीन में काम छपता था.
वो आवाज आती थी कनेक्ट होते हुए.
So Sunday Times was the place जहाँ पे पिक्चर्स आती थी और उसमें हमने काम देख लिया. So see, the whole idea was, our approach was to the work was this, that we need to be successful.
Right.
Way before our time, हमने 50 का होके वो काम नहीं करना.
So
usually उस टाइम पे आर्किटेक्ट्स करते थे.
आप लोगों को अपने ऊपर भी आप लोगों ने बहुत प्रेशर डाला है to be successful. Did it kind of
See, we didn't put a pressure on being successful. We wanted to be at a certain place at an earlier age as compared to be a 50-year-old architect, which at that time was the norm. बहुत कम थे जो अपने 20s के अंदर लोगों ने उनका काम देखना शुरू किया. इसने बहुत काम किया, हमें नहीं पता कोई था.
और हमारी एक और बिलीव थी उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा कि यार जब तुम्हारे बाल सफेद होंगे तब तुम्हारे काम मिलना शुरू होगा. ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी बिलीव थी.
Which is also true right now. Which is actually very true right now as well. The big names have done so much that now their name is selling.
Their name is
selling. But now because of internet and all these connections, the smaller names, as in a younger age, bigger names, are also getting a lot of work.
So are you also disappointed at a bunch of projects which you guys have done and you're like, oh yeah, I can't believe I've done this?
I think mostly with the clients, not with the work.
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
not. Exactly. We are
Really?
disappointed with
Because
the
the client brief was such.
No, see, the room of improvement हर चीज में होता है because you as an individual keep on changing.
Yes.
If I am too stagnant and अभी मुझसे कोई पूछता है मेरा favorite काम कौन सा है मैं कहूँगा कोई भी नहीं. But इसका मतलब ये ना मेरे favorite projects नहीं है. I have many, but वो so
because आप एक अपना project पिछले
एक चीज
5 महीने का project देखें आप कहते हैं यार
एक चीज में
no, ऐसा भी नहीं होता, खुशी भी होती है चीज देख के.
इसमें एक चीज मैं ऐड करूंगा वो ये करूंगा कि पहले वक्तों में आज से 10 से 15 साल पहले ना हम लोग का एक्सपोजर बहुत डिफरेंट था. इवन जो क्लाइंट्स हमारे पास आते थे उनका भी एक्सपोजर बहुत, उनका मोस्टली एक्सपोजर होता है वाइल ट्रैवलिंग, वाइल reading books or everything. Now we have so many software, so many things कि people जो ग्राफिक डिजाइन, जो आधे ज़्यादा लोग ग्राफिक डिजाइनर बन गए, आधे ज़्यादा लोग जो आर्किटेक्ट बन गए अपने दिमाग के अंदर ही. So now our approach is totally different.
Right.
So पहले वक्तों में हम लोग चीज़ों को आराम से मैनेज कर लेते थे, अब जरा हमें एक डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज जाना पड़ता है.